what skin did you choose for the next ceremony? Each of you. Maybe
Okay.
start from the left.
Aurora. And for my final skin, maybe Joe.
Ako naman. I think the most interacting hero for us in the M7 is really friendly.
For me, Aurora or Lapu. Anything they want.